water here with the rice. So, this morning, maulang umaga sa ating lahat. Ayan. First time na rin na-experience na itong ulan dito sa Lebanon. Oh. Ayan, namusta tuloy yung Pilipinas. Kaya dito, isang linggo ng sobrang lamig. And ngayon lang umulan. So, tinignan namin yung weather forecast is for the whole day. So, good luck namin sa aming mag-ina. Lalo na sa akin. Nag-check kami ngayon na may mga tulo para pag wala ng ulan, ayusin na kami dito. Mga tulo dito. Pero so far, sa buong bahay, wala naman. Ito lang sa labas. Good morning mga momshies. At dahil maulan ngayong umaga, ngayong araw na to, magluluto ako ng all-time favorite nating mga Pilipino, ang champurrado. Ayan. Wala nga lang akong malagkit. I just use a jasmine rice. But, it's good enough. Para sa akin, good enough na yun. Kasi ang jasmine rice naman is napakalambot, lalo-lalo na pag naluto. So, hindi pa siya natitikman ni Feras. So, let's see kung magugustuhan niya ngayon. Let's just gonna have a very quick update sa mga ganap dito na kasi marami sa mga kaibigan ko, hindi mga kamag-anak na rin na nagtanong kung kamusta na daw ba kami, affected ba kami ng gera or something. So yes, this past few days, sunod-sunod talaga yung pag-atake ng kalaban ng ibang bansa, si I. And inatake nila yung grupong H. Yung grupong dito sa Lebanon na nagsisimula sa letrang H, through their pagers, through their mobile phones. So, apparently, that attack from 17 and 18, it's like more than 3,000 people yung nasugatan, and there are few, I think 20 plus yung casualties. May kasamang bata rin doon, and after that 2 days of attack, sinundan siya ng attack sa South Beirut. There is a building that they hit. Ang buong building na yun is gumuho, and they said that 2 high-ranking officers ng grupong H is nandun, according to their info. So they attacked that building. Yun yung narinig din namin. Siguro yun yung narinig namin na attack nung isang araw. Narinig ko siya dito, dalawang magkasunod na pagsabog. So, and thank God, okay naman kami lahat dito. Itong lugar naman namin is malayo doon sa gulo, kung saan maraming grupo ng H na talagang tinitira nung kalabang bansang I. And hindi nga lang siya pwedeng ipakita. Siguro kung makikita nyo yun sa mga news, yung mga taong, mga member ng H na may gamit nun is may sumabog na yung dito, labas yung intestine, yung mukha. Siguro those are the time na meron nag-page sa kanila and just a second sumabog siya. So, para siyang self-destruct ang nangyari dun sa mga gadgets na yun. So, kaya nagkaroon ng breach dun sa telecommunication nila, no. They said they bought that communication outside, which is siguro na-detect nila, nalaman ng kalaban, so they make it under the table na lagyan ng once they use it. So, yun. Nakakalungkot na kasi minadamay na mga bata na hindi naman na dapat. So, they said on the news that it's like a terrorist attack ng kabilang bansa kasi it's in a form of communication yung ginamit. Even though na ang direct hit nila is yung kalaban nila, still nagkaroon ng they said there's still parang nilabag nila yung law of war dahil napunta sa they said na napunta sa naging in danger yung life ng public.
Champurrado's ready?
Almost. Yes. She's waiting for the champurrado. I'm gonna need more water.
You need to get the bigger one. Yes.
Yeah.
I have change.
Really? You going to work? Are you sure?
So I can come back early.
Really? No mercy?
No mercy.
How come?
Got to go.
Ay nako, hindi na nahintay ni Viras yung champurrado. Pumasok na. Gusto daw niya pumasok na maaga kasi nga maulan. Para makabalik siya mamaya na maaga. Ayun nga, as I was saying, maraming nasugatan dun sa bombing na yun. So, talaga nagkaroon ng alert. Even ang Philippine Embassy, they're trying to push our kababayans to go out of the country hanggat kaya pa, hanggat meron pang available flights. So, for now, since most of the Filipinos here were living here for a long time, and they said it's very normal yung ganitong sitwasyon, and not all of the affected area, all of the whole Lebanon is affected, kaya they choose to stay. Siguro yung iba talagang, siguro yung mga nasa south and part ng Beirut, yun yung mga kababayan natin na nandun sa lugar na yun. That's why they choose to go home. But yes, still, our safety is our first priority. So, kailangan nila talaga umuwi, di ba? But hopefully, things will be changed. I don't know what they are planning to do. I think they're trying to finish the leaders, so there will be no more operations here in Lebanon, and it's too bad na ang daming nadadamay. Diba? But as of the moment, there are bombings na nire-report through news sa South na hindi naman namin naririnig dito. Actually, it's been a long time na wala akong naririnig na pagsabog or yung sonic boom ba galing doon sa aeroplano ng bansang Ai. So, we felt that it is an ease. So, just 2 days or 3 days ago, yun yung narinig namin 2 days ago, 3 days ago, yun yung narinig namin bombing, yun yung sumunod after maybe 3 weeks. 3 weeks na last na nakarinig ako ng pagsabog. And yun nga yung person to person na attack nung nangyari last time through the pictures. So gonna give you a very quick update soon sa mga ganap dito sa Lebanon, and we'll just need to pray to God na everything should be fine and our family is okay. So mga friends, sa mga kaibigan namin dyan and relatives, please, we are okay. Huwag na po kayo mag-alala. Okay. And baby Nana here is pretty good right now. What happened, baby girl?
I want Papa.
The Papa needs to go to work, Marie. Because Papa needs to bring food for us. And we need to get the stocks because we need it.
We don't need it.
We need it because fireworks are there.
No. There are no
You are
fireworks.
so full, baby. Kids, so ready ng aming champurado ni Nura. And see you all soon. I'm gonna give you another quick update if anything happens here. And hopefully, God will always save us, and always pray for everyone na maging safe po ang lahat. So, see you soon. Please give us a thumbs up on this video and subscribe to our channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, click the bell button so you get a quick update for any updated videos that we're going to upload for the day. Alright, see you all soon, guys. Loves lot. God bless. Bye.